So here's how to use Runwayml image to image. It's actually quite easy to do, so make sure you watch till the very end so you don't skip any important steps. For this, first you will need to log into your account. Now click on the image option or generate image option from the left menu, and then click on the image to image option. After that, this interface will be appear. Moving on to the next step, here you have to upload or drag or drop your media. After dropping your media here, now here you have to go to the prompt section. Here you have to enter your prompt describing the details about your image. As I'm gonna convert this image into oil painting, so for this I simply write in this prompt in the prompt section. If you want variations for your image, you have to simply select that. To select your variations of the image, you have to go to the number of outputs option. After that, from the right panel, click on the generate option. Now hold on and wait for the results. Here, as you can see, it gave me the 4 variations for my resulting image. Now from here you can select any desired image. After selecting your image, click on the download icon at the top of it to download this image. So that's how to use image to image on Runwayml.